of this ball is actually size of the pumped balloon up there. So what generator does, it pushes the charges, electrical charges, or water in our sense, up here and back there. And it does it in an alternative current fashion, so it goes up and down. This is our AC. This device would not be suitable for wireless energy transfer because of the charges will be plus on upper ball and the minus on the down ball. And if you see these charges from long distance, you will actually see neutral charge. But the idea is that the ground was used. So if this charge back there was below the sea level or in the ground, then the observer above the ground will only see charge going plus from nowhere and then going down to zero and then again to the minus. This was idea of how to separate somehow normal dipole radiation from something else that was used here. And how could it be with the electrical device is by using the resonance. And for this we have some more calculation up here. Wait a minute. This is something called quarter wave resonance. So imagine our coil, or the bottom coil of winding of the magnifier of this antenna is in the z-axis above, and the dimension of this is actually electrical field created by that. So we want to send a wave through this. So wave can go up and reflect down from the capacitor back, and something which is done is something like that. But there are two ways, up and down. We actually would have these up and down waves go immediately at the same time. So they add one to each other, and what actually happens is sum of two waves, and then we go standing wave inside of the coil. And the coil resonates as one. So we get something like that. Every part of the coil is synchronized when it is done right. That is what is written in the text of Tesla's article from 1919. Okay, so I had some information about the principle of working, and now I started to make a device, and I had I needed some more calculations. I will show you to you my simulation to more, let's say, picture, get a more and better picture to the difference between normal antenna and what we want to use with this device in terms of the field in the space. This is a simulation from antenna design software that is here. This one above, this one to the left, is normal dipole antenna. It's schematics. The generator is connected to the middle. I want to show you how normal radio works now. Alternating current is pushed at this point to the plus and minus terminal to the antenna, and color of this rod of the antenna indicates the current flowing through it. So at the end of the antenna, current is almost zero. We can this to the legend, it's nearly blue or violet, and when it is red, the current is maximum. Analogy in the space is the electric field. This is the electric field. The direction of these marks are where the electric field points to, and the color is magnitude of the field. And we can have the animation. So when this works, when this antenna is powered with alternating current, some kind of wave goes away from the antenna. This is only electric field shown. I can show you here also the magnetic field. So both of these fields, if you can notice, are perpendicular to each one. So there is a right angle between them. This is normal electromagnetic radiation. It consists from the electric and magnetic field, which are at the 90 degrees in the space one to each other, and as well 90 degrees to the direction when it propagates. We will stop this one and look at the Tesla's simulation of the Tesla tower. What does it produce there? Okay, this is Tesla tower, and this is electric field from his tower. I can explain what is that. Tesla in this tower, in their building, it is not shown on the picture, has ground connection about 50 meters below the ground level. It needs to connect to the Earth. So this is some kind of a network. It's not the same like Tesla did. So this network was somewhere here above, but I think it doesn't matter to this simulation. What this device produces, we can see that with the animation. So actually no wave is traveling in the space like before. It just creates the electric field that is stronger in the plus and stronger, of course, symmetrically in the minus, identically in all around here. Here we can see something like spherical symmetry, not complete, but similar to, because all of these field lines are on the identical place. Yes? You want to see the Poynting vector? Okay, we can do it. Yes. Okay. Okay, Poynting vector is, so it's not easy to imagine, but Poynting vector is somehow circulating all around this device. Actually, Poynting vector is nowhere, because electrical fields and the magnetical are nearly in the line with each other. So Poynting vector is in the first, as you can see, violet. This is near zero. Okay, not always, but somewhere here it has some. This device radiates a little bit. It's not possible to make perfect geometry of this device so that you can have only the electric field, but magnitude of the electric field is much higher than the magnetic. Okay. Okay, this is exactly what I want to show you, but I must first show you this, and then look at the magnetic field. I will stop the electric. So magnetic field as well is actually as well in the violet range. So it's near zero, except in the middle of this, of course, coil, which has some magnetic field. Now I have some other. I would show you at the first some kind of a device that I designed, the same like that, and then I will show you a simulation of two devices connected to each other only with the ground that actually transfer power. Okay, we don't have radiation here. What happens is the ground. We should not forget that we have one common connector, and that is planet Earth. So it is used as a charge capacitor conductively. Earth as a soil has conductance, has capacity, and some inductivity as a medium. This is used as power transfer. Some wave is traveling through the Earth, and that goes seen on the other place. And the other thing is that these charges to connect electrically to each other. So there is some kind of static electricity, I mean static,